How to set up saving goals with Chime. Automate your saving. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been trying to save more money but find it hard to stay consistent, then this video is for you. Today I'm showing you on how you can set up saving goals using Chime and how to automate your savings. So you're building wealth without even thinking about it. We'll talk through how Chime's saving feature work, how to enable roundups, and how to set up financial goals, and tips to keep yourself motivated along the way. Let's jump in. So first things first, what is Chime Savings? A quick overview. Basically, Chime is a mobile-first banking platform that includes a spending account and an optional savings account. So when you open a Chime savings account, you get access to automatic saving tools designed to help you grow your money in the background. Now, there are two main features to know about, which is going to be roundups and automatic transfers. And while Chime doesn't let you name or separate goals like some other applications, with a little strategy, you can still build multiple savings buckets and track your progress manually. So the first step in order for this method to work is to simply open a Chime savings account. Before you can get set up savings or you can get the savings feature, you need to activate your Chime savings account. First things first, head over to the Chime mobile application, tap on settings or go to your main dashboard. From there, you just want to tap on the add savings account. And right after, you just want to agree to the terms and link it to your spending account. Basically, there are no fees, no minimum balance requirements, and no maintenance charges. Once your saving account is active, you can start using Chime's automation tools. Now from there, you then want to enable auto roundups. So roundups is one of the easiest way to save money without noticing. Here's how it works. Every time you make a purchase with your Chime Visa debit card, Chime rounds up the transaction to the nearest dollar and transfers the difference into your savings. For example, if you spend around $4.30, you will go ahead and get 70 cents moved to your savings account. If you spend around $15.60, 0.40% or 0.40 cents goes to your savings. Now to enable this feature, just go through the Chime application, go through the settings, and find the roundup transactions. You then want to toggle it on. That's it. Now every purchase helps you save a few cents, and over time, it really adds up. We also want to enable automatic saving transfers. The second method is the automatic transfers from your direct deposit. So basically, if you get your paycheck via direct deposit into your Chime spending account, Chime lets you automatically move a percentage of that deposit into savings. So here's how to set it up. First things first, you just want to head to the Chime application, tap on settings, and navigate through the automatic savings. Turn on save when I get paid. Now you just want to choose how much to move. Typically around 10% is a good starting point. For example, if you get paid around $500, basically Chime can automatically move $50 to your saving without you lifting a finger. Basically, this method is perfect for building your emergency funds or sinking funds. So you can just go ahead and set it up. It's that easy. Now, we then want to set our saving goals. Chime doesn't currently have custom goal folders like some applications do, but you can still set your own saving goals by giving your savings a name using notes or spreadsheet tracking, using roundups for one goal and autosave for another, manually transferring extra funds when you want to boost a specific goal. For example, you just want to use roundups to save for a birthday, you want to use autosave to build your emergency funds, and you want to manually transfer $25 a week for your travel goals. The key is being consistent and keeping your goals visible. You just want to use the Chime application to monitor your progress weekly. Now, as a bonus step, you also want to set up recurring transfer. If you really want to take your savings to the next level, you want to set up a recurring transfer between your spending account and savings account. Here's how. First, you just have to go through the Chime application dashboard, tap Move Money or Transfer Funds. You then want to choose an account and select your saving account, and then choose how often, like daily, weekly, or monthly. Even transferring $5 a week is equivalent to $260 a year without trying. So this method is great for rent buffer, subscription cost, pet expenses, and holiday shopping. Now I'll also give you some additional tips to boost your savings faster. Here are 5 quick tips to save smarter with Chime. 1. You want to name your goal and track progress using Google Sheet or budgeting application. You'll want to start small. Consistently matters more than the amount. You then want to combine roundups plus autosave plus recurring transfers to go ahead and maximize Chime's features. You want to use your tax refund or bonus to give your savings a boost. And lastly, you want to keep your savings out of sight so you're less tempted to dip into it. Now, let's talk about some examples. How fast can you save? Let's say that you spend around $15 a day using your debit card. Roundups will then take 50 cents a day, and that equals to $15 per month. You can use 10% autosave on a $600 paycheck, and that equals to $60 per month. From there, we then want to set up a recurring $10 weekly transfer, and that equals to $40 a month. So just from those settings, you can save $100 to $120 per month automatically. So that's over $1,200 in a year, and you barely feel it. Now, it's Chime safe for saving money. Yes, your Chime saving account is backed by FDIC insured for up to $250,000. You have real-time transaction alerts, two-factor authentication, and no monthly fees. That makes it just as safe as having a traditional bank, but way easier to manage on your phone. So, in conclusion, you want to start saving the easy way. So, there you have it. A full walkthrough on how you can save or set up saving goals with Chime and automate the process. If you want to stop stressing about saving money and start building real momentum toward your goals, Chime makes it simple, automatic, and free. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more practical money tips. And let me know in the comments what's your number one saving goal this year. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Once again, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out.